The World Health Organization estimates that 1 in 10 people fall ill every year from eating contaminated food. Proper food hygiene is crucial in preventing these incidents. Many food businesses struggle with maintaining consistent food safety practices. This can lead to food contamination, customer illness, and severe damage to reputation and business viability. At an individual level, food handlers may feel uncertain about proper hygiene procedures. Teams may lack a unified approach to food safety, leading to inconsistent practices and potential risks. This course provides essential knowledge and skills in food hygiene. It equips participants with the fundamentals of safe food handling, storage, and preparation. Participants will learn about foodborne illnesses, personal hygiene, safe food handling practices, and cleaning and sanitizing procedures. They'll also gain an understanding of food safety regulations and their importance. For organizations, the impact is significant. They'll see improved food safety standards, reduced risk of contamination incidents, and enhanced compliance with food safety regulations. This leads to increased customer trust, protection of brand reputation, and potentially lower insurance costs. On a personal level, participants will gain essential skills that are vital in any food-related role. Teams will benefit from a shared understanding of food safety principles, fostering a culture of hygiene and safety throughout the organization. Don't let poor food hygiene practices put your customers and business at risk. Equip yourself with the knowledge and skills to ensure food safety at every step. Enroll now and learn to handle food safely and hygienically.